So, continuing our coronavirus special tour of the Elizabeth. I'm not sure about holding the camera vertically like this or holding it horizontally. I've experimented with both. Anyway, let me know in the comments if this looks really bad, and I'll do another one in horizontal. So this is the master bedroom here, and it has a nice ensuite. With a walk-in robe. Again, that's our Hawkesbury just across through the window there, and on this side we've got the Camden through the window, so everything's a little bit crowded, but anyway, just imagine this is all in a nice property somewhere. Now, just off the master bedroom, we've got this room here, which we currently have decorated as a little nursery, and that's kind of the idea. If you have a very small child, you can live close to the parents, but if your children are older, this could be a study, or you could just take those walls away and open up the living area, or use the space in any other way you like. None of our internal walls are load bearing. They're all only our external walls are load bearing. So internally you can really do whatever you like. You can take walls out, add walls in, and most people do. Most people muck around a little bit with the designs and put their own particular personality into the finished home. Alright, I'll make another video for the kids' bedrooms.